what's up and welcome back to ByStephieNics. So today I'm going to be telling you guys about 3 inventive, ingenious, life-changing, time-saving beauty tools that are going to make your life a heck of a lot easier. Can you say no to that? Also, I have some tips for how to save money on the second and third beauty tool, so definitely stick around for that. And on to beauty tool number 1. So you might have noticed that I've got some wing liner going on today, some nice cat eyes. I really don't usually wear eyeliner. I push myself to do eyeliner for like special events or for videos, but on the daily, I'm actually pretty bad at eyeliner. I don't have time to struggle like with the Post-it, lining it up to get the line perfect, and then, oh, it's not good and erasing it. No one's got time for that, so I just don't do it. But like I said, today's video is all about beauty tools that are gonna save you time and make your life easier. Introducing the Quick Flick. This product right here is an eyeliner stamp that you just literally stamp on your face and it gives you the perfect cat eye wing. What? Who knew this existed? I definitely didn't. I saw an ad for this around Black Friday time and it was on sale, like amazing product on sale. How could I say no to that? So I got it, I tried it out, fell in love with it right away because like it's incredible and I'm gonna tell you guys about it today. So basically it comes with 2 eyeliners in the box, one for your right eye, one for your left eye, and they're both double-sided. One end is the cat eye stamp and then the other side is just a regular felt tip liner. The way that it works is you open up the stamp side, you line up the bottom of the stamp with your upper lash line and you literally just stamp it on your face and it gives you the perfect wing. So then what you do is you flip over the eyeliner, open up the other side to the regular felt tip liner. And this is a really thick felt tip. I've never used a liquid liner with such a thick applicator and I actually really like it. So what you do is you just line it up to the wing that you just stamped on and you just draw the rest of your line straight from there. And I'm telling you, this process is so much easier than using just freehand liner or lining it up with like the Post-it or the card or whatever. This does so much of the work for you and I wouldn't say it's foolproof, but it definitely makes life a whole lot easier. Another awesome thing about this eyeliner is that if you have sensitive eyes or if you have allergies and your eyes water a lot like mine do, this is waterproof, super duper waterproof. I stamped it on the back of my hand just to show you. I rubbed it super hard. I put water on it and rubbed it. It did not budge at all. The only way that this eyeliner is gonna move or come off is if you use a waterproof eye makeup remover. I use this one from Neutrogena, the oil-free eye makeup remover. Don't worry, I'll have it linked down below. And then you don't have to rub hard or anything. It comes right off. So yeah, pretty insane product that you guys need in your life, unless you are an artist and you could just like, jealous of you then. But for everyone else, get the Quick Flick. I'll have it linked below with also like the details of what color and size that I got because they have different sizes depending on the shape of your eye or if you have mature eyes or hooded eyes, like they have a specific one for you. It's really awesome. I'll link it all below. Can we just look at how sharp that wing is? Like, hello. I like it. I like it a lot. And on to amazing product number 2. So I already told you how my makeup might look different to you today because I had the wings. Well, my hair might look different to you today also because I never wear it straight, ever. My hair is always curled, but I've been inspired to wear it straight by this product. The Revlon, I don't remember what it's called. Hold on. Get the box. This is the Revlon Pro Collection Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. Yeah, I wasn't gonna memorize the name. This brush right here is incredible. It is a blow dryer and hairbrush in one. Again, a product I didn't know existed until I found an ad for it. Thanks, ads. This product is actually the answer to a whole bunch of different problems. So if you usually blow dry your hair like the classic way with the blow dryer and then the round brush, this is going to eliminate the 2-arm process that you got going on and put it all into one arm. The hot air comes right out of holes in the brush right here. So you literally just do the process of like a round brush on a wet section of hair, but without having to hold the blow dryer separately. It's pretty crazy. The other type of issue that it's gonna help is the one that I face, where if I wanna straighten my hair, I have to blow dry it first and then take the flat iron and go over it again. That's a lot of heat. That's a lot of steps. That's a lot of like arms. That's a lot of time. So putting all of those steps into one product and one process, amazing. It's gonna save you time and it's gonna save the health of your hair by applying less heat. If you turn the brush around, there are a few settings here on the bottom. There's off, cool, low, and high. So what I do is when I start blow drying the section of hair, I start on low for a few passes so that it gives it like a little bit of heat, kind of dries it, and then I will switch it over to high and then go a few more passes on high to really lock in that smoothness and get it really sleek. I haven't played around with the cool setting too much, but this is really cool that it has it because after you're done with a section of hair, you can do the cool setting and go, and that really will lock it in, prevent frizz, it's really nice they have that. I have naturally curly, frizzy, thick hair, and this went pretty fast. It's shocking. I was shocked how quickly it smoothed my hair. It got it so super sleek and shiny. This is not how my hair looks after I try to blow dry it. My hair is a total frizzy mess, so this is insane. And then I mentioned at the beginning that I had a money-saving tip for this. So I bought this pretty recently on Amazon and it was on major sale. Major sale. It's usually $60. I got it for under 40. It was like 38 or something like that. So I'll leave the direct link to the Amazon listing that I bought it from. So check it quickly. Hopefully the sale is still going on when you guys see this. But I heard that this actually goes on sale pretty often. So if it's listed at 60 and you're not really feeling that, maybe wait a little bit until it drops in price. Money saving tips by StephieNics. Ay, I rhyme there. Songwriter. Okay, and on to amazing beauty tool number 3. Not 6, 3. So far we have talked makeup, hairstyling, and what's left? Hair accessorizing. 3 of my favorite topics. So the third product is this Braid headband right here. How many of you guys thought it was actually my hair? Who thought I was sculpted up to do that? No one? Okay, cool. This is a headband that I am wearing on my head. The braid goes all the way around, and then back there is just a little elastic. This braid is from the company Madison Braids. I got the cute box right here. I saved it because it's just so pretty. They have a whole bunch of different braid headbands, like 2-strand, 3-strand, thick, fishtail. You just email or DM them a picture of your hair and they tell you which color to get. Like I wrote to them saying like, hey, I think I'm this color. And they're like, don't think so, you're this color. And then I got it and it was a perfect match. So they know what they're doing, DM them. But anyway, it is the perfect hair accessory because it makes you look like you spent tons of time styling your hair, braiding like you got all the skills in the world, when actually all you did is just put the headband around your neck, slid it up, and called it a day. This is the simplest way that you can wear this headband. That's why I wanted to leave it just as is for you today. But there are tons of ways to style this. You can clip some hair back, wear it like that. That's really cute. You can pull your hair back into a bun, so you just have the braid front and center shining. Or one of my favorite ways is pulling your hair into a braid, so you have the braid from the headband going down into the braid from your hair. It looks so cool. If you're not already following me on Instagram, definitely go follow me at ByStephieNics on Instagram because I'm going to be posting some different hair tutorials in my stories with this Madison Braids braid headband. So definitely do that. It's a move. Catch that. Yeah, what am I saying? 2 super quick little tips to style the braid from out of the box to make it look a little more realistic on your head. So it's gonna come pretty like thin and tight, the braid. All you wanna do is pull out the braid. Don't be afraid to like really get in there and separate the braid out a little bit. This is gonna thicken the braid and make it look just a whole lot more voluminous. But of course you can totally keep the braid as is out of the box, like a nice sleek thinner braid. That's cute too. I just prefer a little more va-va-voom. I hate that I just said va-va-voom. Let's forget that happened. Anyway, styling tip number 2, the braid right out of the box, like any fake hair product, extensions, anything like that, it's gonna have that like fake shine that really makes it stand out from the rest of your hair and people will be able to tell that it's not your hair. So the way to get rid of this, super simple, dry shampoo. Make sure you grab an invisible dry shampoo. I'm using the Bumble Pret-a-Powder Tray Invisible Dry Shampoo. You're just gonna shake it up, spray it directly onto the braid, and then there you go. All that like creepy shine is gone and it's a little matte and it perfectly blends into your hair. Now no one can tell that you don't have the skills of a hairstylist. Yeah. It's all an illusion. So if you are in the market for a thick, beautiful, gorgeous headband braid that you can rock with many, many looks, all you gotta do is go to madisonbraids.com, pick out which braid style you want, get yourself color matched, and then when you're checking out, use my code to save 15%. That is my gift to you guys. As you're checking out, when it asks for a promo code or a coupon code, put in ByStephieNics15 and you're gonna save an instant 15% off your entire order, which is awesome. Again, I'll have the direct link to Madison Braids down in the description box and I'll remind you about the promo code down there. And yeah, I think that's it. We went through my 3 life hack beauty tools, the winged eyeliner stamp, the Revlon blow dryer brush in 1, and the Madison Braids braid headband. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a super fun time making it for you. Before you click out, if you could just scroll down and leave a big like on this video, I'd really appreciate it. And while you're there, you can also subscribe, join the ByStephieNics fam. We have fun here and we would love to have you. Yeah, and if you never want to miss a video, because why would you, hit that bell and you're going to be notified on your phone every time I post, and yeah, it's a cool move. Do it. If you want to see more like beauty tool roundup videos or anything else, leave a comment down in the comment section below letting me know what you want to see. That wasn't very smooth, but whatever, it worked. And remember to check out my Instagram, ByStephieNics, if you want to see more hair tutorials with the braids. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you're just doing great in life. Yeah. Anyway, as always, this was ByStephieNics.